Want to keep your audience on the edge of their seats? The key is conflict. Creating tension or a challenge in your story grabs attention and keeps your audience engaged. Let's dive into the first aspect. Conflict makes your story dynamic. Without it, the story might feel flat. Whether it's an internal struggle or a challenge with others, or a battle against the odds. Conflict drives the narrative forward. Next, it builds emotional investment. When the stakes are high, the audience cares more about the outcome. For example, if you're telling a story about fear, overcoming fear, show the struggle. I was terrified. My legs were shaking as I stepped onto the stage. Lastly, conflict that you share creates a sense of urgency. It pushes the story to a climax, keeping your audience hooked until the resolution. Show the obstacles and then lead them to the payoff. Of course, keep the conflict relevant to your message. The best stories tie the conflict to your theme, making it even more powerful. Remember, conflict is what keeps your audience engaged. Adding it to your story, you'll turn an ordinary narrative into a gripping experience.